friends, God bless you and welcome on this beautiful day. Hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. Thank you for stopping in. My name is Penny and I welcome you. So today I am going to decorate my kitchen island. Not sure exactly which way I'm going yet, so just a little preview here. Hope all is well with everyone. And thank you so much for joining us today on this collaboration. And our host for this beautiful collaboration is Miss Allie from Glam Elegant Living. And the name of this club is called Home Decor Luxe Club. And each one of us is coming in our own way. And all the participants' links will be in my description box. Please stop by and watch their channels. I'm going to share with you on which way I'm going to go. As I showed you in the preview, I just did it without the tray, and this actually was a picture frame, and I'm going to use this picture frame that I painted black. It used to say Home Sweet Home, but I wasn't using it, so I painted it, and if I need to use it, I'll just restore it back. So I bought the table runner, but I'm going to use this on my island from Hobby Lobby. There is a 40% off sale. Now, this is my centerpiece. This is my ginger jar I got from Home Goods. And this greenery that's in the vase is very beautiful, but this greenery is so easy to fall apart. So I had to be careful. So that's why it was hard for me to tape it, because I'm trying to get it even. So my leaves was falling off. And I see why now they had this on sale at Kirkland. It's very beautiful, but I have to fix it. And when I put them back on, I'm going to hot glue them. But this is what I did with it. I decided to put some pumpkins inside of my greenery. And I add some white peony flowers, just to, bring some life to that greenery with the white vase. So as I go through this, the ideas is coming, so that's how I begin to create, guys. When I begin to create or think of something, I just start putting it together and the vision come alive. Friends, as I go through this, I am going to be changing it up. But these are pumpkins that I had from last year. I made for another display, and I asked my husband, please get my other stuff out the storage, because I know I got more pumpkins. So these are my DIY pumpkins that are upgraded. And here, I'm just kind of just playing with it to see which way I will go. And you can use any kind of tray, picture frames, anything with a flat surface, you can make it out of tray. So I hope that this has given someone some inspiration and motivation on how to do some projects around your home. I added my little stands. I have 2 stands on both ends, and I'm seeing this coming together gradually. Added my owl I got from Hobby Lobby, and I only paid $3.99 for it. It was on a fall season sale. So I'm just working with this and see which way I'm going with it. So I thank you so much for your patience with me. And if you're new here, I thank you for stopping in. I hope that you like what you see. You get an inspiration. And thank you so much for my faithful friends and followers. I appreciate you watching, commenting, liking, and you're always welcome to share. And here where I added my house on the right, I added my cloche because of the height. It was too low, and that brought the height to a balance. And you always have to have symmetry, guys, symmetry. Here, friends, I added the greenery, and I will add the black and white pumpkins, the solid black pumpkins, and the whites. Tell me what you think about this. And I love the way this came out, because if I need to, I can move it. I can take the two ends off and just leave the centerpiece. And I hope this came out to your liking. And friends, I hope you go back and support the others. Please tell them that Penny sent you. Friends, I'm going to share you my finished preview of this. This is the final preview, and I hope that you like it. I call it my little village. So you can be very creative for fall, and I always love to do something different. I don't know about you guys. I'm expecting great things to happen. So I hope y'all enjoy your day and got great expectations. Remember, you're too blessed to be stressed. And whatever the situation is, know that God is able to fix it. Thank y'all so much for watching. And y'all know I love y'all. Have a blessed, prosperous day. See you on my next video. Bye-bye from Penny. Friends, if you love what you see, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.